Okay, y'all, I'm gonna jump straight into this one, man. It's kind of on the fly. Just got off work, but I done had this part for about a week now. It's a PS Designs wickerbill, and I'll show y'all what that is if you don't know. But yeah, we out here, man. I'll show y'all what we got going on. Big glow. Alright, boom. That's going on the wing. So you see what's going on. It's brown stuff covering it. We're gonna take that off. But look, we had to take the tape it up. I got tape right here blocking in case it touched right here so it don't scratch. Then we taped it up to hold it. Now I gotta go back through with a screw through each one of these pilot holes. I'll show y'all that in just a sec. Okay, y'all, I got the pilot holes drilled out. You gotta make sure you use a 1/16 bit. I make sure to put that up on the screen and make sure I double check that. But yeah, I'll show you what I did. It's easy, y'all. So boom. What you gotta do, I still got it taped up there and everything how I had it. Now it come with these little holes right here where they want you to drill it. So you take your 1/16 bit, you drill, and you drill you a hole dead. Hold up, let me square that up. Dead center up in there. Dead center up in there. The camera picking that up. But yeah, get dead square up in there. And then I can take it I can take the piece down. When I take the piece down, then I can use the bigger drill bit. I think it's I get the numbers right. But yeah, I use the bigger drill bit to drill the hole out, and I'll be ready to put my rivets in. Let's get it. You know she wasn't gonna be far behind. She hurt too, y'all. She done damn, what you did, pull the growing muscle or something. She's still out here in the field with me though. That's what we do. We just taking it out. Now we can take the template down. And you'll see the little starter holes all the way across. Boom, boom, back. What we gotta do, I gotta get the bigger drill bit, put it on the drill, and really clean the holes out so that the rivets fit real good and secure. So yeah. Alright, y'all, I got the drill. Got the bigger drill bit on there. What size drill bit is this again?
It said 2564, but it's a 3/8.
Boom. Shout out to the point. But yeah, let's get it, man. We out to. I already got the little single hole. Now we just gotta make it bigger.
Don't go too far in.
Yeah, that part. You definitely don't want to go through the cup. That'll be terrible.
I would say that's good for now. I'm nervous.
So now, she in there. Leave. You feel me? Well, we out here, let's go. Uh-oh.
He's sugar happy.
There we go.
Okay.
Hey, if I look like a Ricky, because I ain't. But I'm a man of many talents, though. I get in there. Boy, nervous as hell not to go through this thing. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I make it look good though. Scared as hell.
Ah!
I'm telling you. We out here though. We gonna get her done.
Meanwhile, I'm over here fighting mosquitoes.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Here comes the master.
Is he coming out? Uh-oh, you heard his dream. Yeah. Watch out, mosquito. Watch out. They installed you in here.
Okay.
I hope that's the right size. We're gonna be. Oh, okay.
Don't go so fast.
We're gonna be buying another wing. But yeah, on to the next.
Feel tight, tight. Yep, that's it. Back her up. Yeah. That's why you do that fucking shit.
What you say?
So that's why you do that shit.
Babe, what'd he say?
You heard the man. Yeah. Now see that's the fish. Yeah. Thank you. I gotta put another rivet on there.
Yeah, you didn't know. Go about a quarter of a turn more. Alright.
Now that's the actual piece, but we had to peel the backing off of it, that brown backing right there. And that's the second piece that connect up in this area. But when I get it all done, we done lost daylight, I'll show y'all. Okay, y'all, now when you get through, this is the finished product. That add-on gloss piece, that raise up, fire. Fire. So that's a wickerbill. And we only gonna keep adding, man. I got some more coming for y'all, man. Stay tuned, man. Big glow only going one way, and that's up. Yeah.